What is up, everybody? Today I am going to show you how to do a Vlookup in Power Query. Power Query does not actually use a Vlookup function, but this is actually something that I came across while I was scrolling Reddit last night. Went down, and I usually do this late at night when I'm trying to help people out and I can't sleep very well. So I was going down and I saw this post right here, and this person was asking how to do a Vlookup in Power Query. So what I'm going to do is show you what this actually looks like.
Giddy up.
So I've got my list of movies here that I want to watch. This is the same file that I used in my Vlookup tutorial earlier, so feel free to check that one out if you get a little time. So let's say, for instance, that I've got this list of movies and I want to pull in some more movie information. Find that down here in this movie information table, right? So I've got the year, the rating, I've got a whole bunch of other information that I want to bring in. Now I can do a bunch of Vlookup formulas out here, right, or Xlookup formulas, and bring all of that information in, or I can use Power Query to bring it in, and that's what we're going to do here. So in order to get to the Power Query editor, we're going to go in here into this Queries and Connections, double click on this, brings up a new window. So here's what we're going to do. Again, I want to bring in all of this other information into this file right here. So what we're going to do is go over, and on the Home tab there is a Combine, Merge Queries, right? And you have a choice under here. You can either merge queries or merge queries as new. Let's go ahead and do merge queries as new. This is going to create a new table for us so I don't hose up any of my initial data. So it's got already selected the movies to watch. I'm also going to connect it to the movie data. So I'll select that. I'll click this here. This down here, this tells you how you're going to connect or what field to key off of. From there, hit OK. And then you may say, hey, it didn't work, Ryan. All I've got is this new thing that says table on it. Well, all you have to do is hit this little expand button with its two arrows. And then I don't want to repeat the title on here, but what I do want is everything else. So I'll unselect this and I'll go ahead and say I want all this other stuff on there, right? And then there's this use original column name as prefix. So that means that it's going to say movie data dot before each one of these titles here. I don't want that. I'm going to go ahead and unselect that so it looks a little cleaner. And then from there, it's pulled in all of my information. So it's got the year, the rating, the appropriate ages, the IMDb score, the votes, the category. So I've got all of that together. Now I'm going to go ahead and I can rename this. It's listed as Merge 1 right now, which is kind of an odd name, but I'm going to go ahead and right click and hit rename. I'm going to call this All Movie Information. Do that. And then from here, there is this Close and Load, and you can actually select, in this case, I'm going to do Close and Load 2. And then I'm going to say, I want this in a new worksheet, right? And so that's what's going to happen. I could, if I wanted to, have it paste somewhere over here or, something like that. But I'm going to have this just do a whole new worksheet. Hit OK. And there it is. It's pulled in all of the information from my other table. Okay, that's it. I hope this was helpful to you. If you enjoyed, please hit that like and subscribe button. If there is anything else that you would like to see, please let me know in the comments below. Thanks, and have a great day.